Hello, I'm Tiffany and welcome to my channel. Today I will make candles like that, the Versace Candle, do it yourself of course, because my channel is do it yourself. If you want to see, let's go! We'll need first white paper, white napkins, transparent paper for when we use the iron, the clothes iron, glue, the clothes iron, candles of course, three. I buy two small and one bigger. And what you want for decoration? I want to have glitter straws, straws, and a little bit glitter. Let's go work. The first step, we need to print the image that you want. I want Versace and I will show how I can print. I need to fix the white napkins. The white napkins and the normal paper for print, and I will show. And let's go print. And look like that. I have three similar black because why not? One gold. We need to remove the tape. We need to use only one. It's okay because when we use the clothes iron, it's okay. Now let's go fixing the candle. Let's try make new. Now we need to cut in the paper. It's only for protection the candle, and we'll put like that. You can see it's transparent, is good for work. And now we need to work like that very fast. If you use it in the very hot, when we have the black color, it's finished. Look like that. Now it's time for decoration. So I have straws and glitter taping, but I don't know what I use now. One is finished. Look at that. Now I'm finished our candle Versace, and I will show in my table. Let's go. Dun, 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 dun. How look in my table. Soon I will make one. I don't know the name for fix my candles, but the next video I will show how we can make one mirror and diamonds and straws. So I hope you like. Thank you for watching. If you like him, give me one quick likecito and follow my channel and follow my Instagram too because I need followers. Thank you. Bye.